Rather quiet here right now. Everybody's gone for the day. The painting on these parts has completed and they look fantastic. The aprons are here and look very nice. The holes will be for where it says Land Cruiser or Toyota Land Cruiser, excuse me. A badge will go on there. Over here we have the front fenders. It is red, that's for sure. Looks nice. This will be the left-hand fender. On aluminum body there are brackets, that's what these are, brackets that go for the doors, that you put the pin down in and the hinge for the front door. Goes on the door post. And the apron on the other side, which would be the left-hand apron. So, next will be the aluminum body. Oops. That will be painted next, so it looks quite nice, and that's the last thing to go into red is the aluminum body, the cowl and the tub. And then it all goes back together quickly.